Cecile? Not all those questions, Minister. One question.
Yes, thank you, Speaker. I read somewhere that the steering squad composed of girlfriends of the minister officials. So I want to know I want the minister to share the list of the Kenyan delegation who are purported to be the cheering squad. Thank you.
Yes, Ypoung. Minister, record all those. You'll answer them together.
Yeah, Mr. Speaker, I will not repeat the one which you have already repeated. But I would like to remind the Speaker, remind the Minister, Mr. Speaker, that he needs to acquaint himself with Article 73 of the Constitution. And I just want to read to him for record. It says, authority assigned to a state officer, that is himself, is a public trust to be exercised in a manner that is consistent with the purposes and objects of this Constitution. 2, demonstrates respect for the people. 3, brings honor to the nation and dignity to his office. And then 4, promotes public confidence in the integrity of that office, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, you know, I have listened to this minister. He has said he has spent money on the accommodation of the children. Mr. Speaker, I would like him to confirm, is it true that the German government paid for the accommodation? If they did, can he account what happened to these 500 million that he proposed to have been paid? That it could not even take those children by flight